We're having a van life meet-up, guys, at Sentry Circle on the 8th, 9th and 10th of February.
Well, yeah, on our way to Sentry Circle camping, and the van's gone into limp mode. It says that we're low on oil, so check the oil level, and can't find anything wrong with the oil level at all. It's all alright. So I've bought some more oil. Anyway, I'm going to fill it up. It's around about middle at the moment. Just going to top it up and see how far we get then. So back inside, give it a good start, and yep, that fixed it. So it looks like the actual dipstick in the engine, even though that reads full. The electronic dipstick is stupid and thinks that it's still not full. Anyway, so yeah, we're on our way now to a company called EcoVolts to look at e-bikes before we actually go to Sentry Circle. So we just left EcoVolts in Chesterfield, that was it. Alan and Tracy.
Yep,
really
very nice people.
They make all the bikes, so it's a absolutely kind of like manufactured in the UK bike and everything. So anyway, what we've agreed to do is go back there in probably a couple of weeks when we've got a spare Saturday or something.
Yep. When
there's nothing else in the van. We're not going camping, but we'll go there in the van to see if we can fit these bikes in the little storage area. I am not happy with calling it a garage, by the way. It isn't a garage, it's under bed storage.
Yep.
Thank you. We'll do a full absolute kind of like John and Mandy on electric bikes episode.
Yes.
No camping, no anything else, just to give them enough time, because I like supporting local businesses. As someone who owns and runs a local small business,
yep,
I like supporting other small businesses, so
yep,
I'm going to give them an episode on their bikes.
And we're not getting anything out of this.
Oh no.
Nope.
In fact, even better than that, actually, Cat Zero do a charity cycle from Liverpool to Hull. And I've asked EcoVolts if not only, you know, the bike will actually make it,
yeah,
and he said yeah, of course it will, we'd love to get involved. So I've got him on board as a sponsor.
Yep.
So there you go, Dave.
So sorted. And
yep,
that is just how nice they are.
Yeah.
Go buy bikes from them,
yep,
because they're fantastic.
Link in the description down below.
Absolutely.
Anyway, now we are on further up north onto A1M.
Aye.
I happen.
After Burger King. Num,
yeah,
num, num.
Num, num, num. And we're on our way to Camp Stone Circle.
Camp Stone Circle.
Yeah.
Yep.
To see Purdy, Kirsty, and probably about 40 other people.
Should be really good fun.
Yeah.
So yeah, looking forward to that. We're here, baby.
Hiya.
Sentry Circle.
We made it.
Can I see the stone? Can see the stones?
See the stones at the top of the hill?
Yeah. We made it, Coopy. We made it. Woo. Not really such a long way, but you know, felt like it. Go on, you can do it.
Yay!
Hello!
We made it!
I can get the ramps out, can't
So, we go here. Is that making enough room for maybe?
What, in the middle or on this side?
On that side.
So, how's the new tyres? Is it Caterpillar tracks next?
They're as good as the waffle boards, aren't they?
That did the job, it's moving. Oh.
Is that the way they do it?
Needless to say, I was slightly, nay, totally unimpressed with the all-terrain tyres that I've just had fitted. Yes, they seem to have been defeated by mud. Anyway, we got settled out. The weather was really nice, really windy and everything, rain and stuff like that, but really nice. And we thought we'd just have a wander around. Don't forget, it's a campsite as well. They've got glamping pods and everything else, so lovely place to visit. And up on the top of the hill up there, you can see the Stone Circle. So we all had to walk up to the Stone Circle. got the drones out and took some photos and did some filming and that. Not only obviously just for us, but for the people that run the campsite as well. So they've got some better aerial footage and things like that of the stone circle. So yeah, that was really cool just to see it from the air, see it all laid out. Given a story as well by Dan about how they're laid and blessed and everything as they're laid and put in a certain alignment and things like that. So yeah, it was really cool. And then we went to have a quick tour of Kirsty and Purdy's van.
Is that Purdy's replacement? Is that the new Purdy?
So we're camping with Purdy and Kirsty this weekend. And Dave's playing for us over the radio. But he can't key up and apparently and play the guitar at the same time. What's the dealio anyway? Are we going in the barn? Is the barn open tonight or what?
Lights are on, people are going across there.
So I went in the barn that night, met everybody that was there. All the dogs got to know each other. Bit of an early night, couple of beers only, and a nice bit of kit for the next morning. Morning! Morning! We made an entrance.
Yeah.
I think you've made a bigger entrance than me.
Hello, fella. How are you doing? Good. I thought you got stuck for a moment. So did I. I'll just turn this back down.
Nothing to see. Nothing to see.
That's
Liam. I don't know the blue one.
No, I don't know the blue one. I recognise the green one.
It's a nice paint job on that one.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. Quite nice round here, isn't it? Oh yeah.
I'm going to sit over there.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I put before you a Yorkshire delicacy. This is a chicken egg being pickled in malt vinegar. Little dabble of salt. And you hope it's not black in the middle. Here we are. B-roll Mandy, no pressure.
And Louis like, oh, do I get some of this as well?
Louis from Yorkshire, you see. He knows what you're in for.
You see, but I've never had in malt vinegar before, you see.
You like pickled stuff though?
I do.
And your fingers.
Oh, that's nice.
It's not black in the middle. That's good enough.
That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a well pickled egg. In malt vinegar.
Wow. Oh, that's winky.
You wait till it comes out the other end.
Well, you know what's getting me most? Is that the shell on the outside?
No.
Ah, right, okay then.
It looks like
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Brown vinegar.
Yeah.
If they're done in white vinegar, stay white.
Oh,
Does it
right.
taste any different to a normal pickled egg? It's quite horrible.
Oh, that was a good face. I'm going to get that in slow-mo. Apparently Dave's so tired that he was even questioning whether we could drink a second pint.
This is what I was saying. I say, let's have another pint because it's so nice and warm in here.
else to sit.
Louis, proper pub dog. What do you reckon, son?
Oh, he's got a wet bottom already. Oh. Over water. Look at that. How brave is Mevy?
I'm a thrill seeker. For some people it's bungee jumping.
Yeah.
And for me it's gently swinging out over some water.
So yeah, we're going to see what happens when three YouTubers, each on their own channel, but from the same event, in fact,
From the
sitting
same
next to
vantage
each other,
point.
yeah.
Who gets the
Who gets the
most
best
views?
interaction? Because of what you
Yeah.
said before with the dog biscuit at the pub.
Yeah, we could do it that way.
forfeit.
So the loser, the person with the least number of views, has to do something revolting.
You see
So the
Coop take
loser,
a dump?
loser eats a dog biscuits or something.
Okay.
Or
Yeah, one of
No,
the
is
Cooper's
that-
dog sausages. Hashtag
I'm
watch-
going to put a hashtag whip it in every post that I do because it's obviously working.
So, hashtag watch my whip it.
Whip it out. It'll go bloop, bloop.
So we're all going to be sat in front of each other.
Yeah.
Obviously the weird thing is, if you're watching this video now, you may have already watched us.
It's already been and gone.
Yeah. By the way, we've had 4
Wait.
beers, 5 beers.
Wait, baby.
We've had
Four.
many beers.
Not
Many.
enough.
Dave says not
No.
enough.
There will
No.
be more.
And the chips only scored 2.
Oh.
But I think
Yeah.
we recognise Louis because the quality of the chips improved.
Yeah, on
more
the
beer
second
we had.
round, yeah.
Yeah.
That was
I
weird,
think
that.
once they realised that we were feeding them to the dogs, they improved
Yeah,
the quality.
Definitely.
absolutely.
Yeah. All the nipples
Yes.
and hippies
Yes.
you'll ever want to see.
You love it. Oh yeah. If you've got nipples or you're a hippie,
Or you like both.
yeah. Because hippies,
Because hippies have nipples too.
they do. They absolutely do. Watch out! Attack!
The slow cooker worked well. Yeah. But it sapped the battery out of the van.
Yeah. When I got back, I had 10 bolts in the back.
In your van?
Yeah, with a slow cooker on.
It was on low as well. But yeah.
Wow, it's taking the field with it. Oh, well done, Mevy, but yeah, I've taken some Yorkshire home. Cheers, Birdie.
Birdie, say bye to
See you later.
I will
do, will do.
See you later.
Sorry about the mud, Mevy.
Keep going, keep going!
Hello, and here we are in Emsley. It's great to introduce you to the wonderful market town of Emsley. I don't know why I'm talking like this at all. It's my half Irish, half Scottish Yorkshire accent, which I use for most things.
Hey, bye.
Beep,
Nice
beep,
bit of
beep,
sun.
beep.
Right,
Right,
you're
Ellen,
going.
let's do it.
We'll see you in 2 weeks.
Yeah.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Camp Turkey.
Turkey.
See you later. So we just left Helmsley.
Yeah. Nice little place.
Gorgeous little town. Just stopped off there after leaving Sentry Circle this morning and had a really lovely meal in the Black Swan.
Yeah.
I think the Black Swan.
Yeah.
Oh, best fish pie ever. Really, really good. And had a nice walk around there, which was a lovely way to end the weekend. Wasn't
It was lovely.
But what a lovely weekend.
Yeah.
I'm exhausted.
Yeah.
So many nice people, and Sentry Circle is just getting started properly, isn't
Yeah.
it? So it's not.
Going to be a good campsite now.
It will be. It's not shiny and anything yet, but you know it's got all the potential there, and it's going to be fantastic once they get going. They were talking about doing festivals there and having music on and stuff, so it will be really good once we get there. And met some fantastic people off of YouTube.
YouTubers and non-YouTubers.
And non-YouTubers
And
too.
subscribers as well.
Yep. And also 1 million dogs. And some was it Swanson? He was my best
Oh,
mate.
yeah.
He wouldn't stop yapping.
Kick me in the balls for flying the drones.
Yeah. He just wanted to save everybody from everything, did Swanson. But he was my best mate by the time we were leaving. He was brilliant. And Fred the Basset Hound.
Oh yeah.
He was fantastic too. What a bark! Like,
Yeah.
oh yeah, brilliant weekend.